Welcome to the PoE SW501G-PLUS unboxing video, the latest PoE switch from BV Tech. This switch has been totally updated and modified to make sure it's fully NDAA compliant and is manufactured in our plant in Taiwan. It has all the latest features and is a high quality build. It's one of the best PoE switches that we offer. It comes with a load of features that make this a high-end premium product. All ports offer gigabit speed to stay up to date and as fast as you are. So something that's really cool about this switch is it has a total power budget of 60 watts. That means I can plug in a 30-watt device into port number 1 and still have 2 ports left over for standard PoE power. The company's been very excited to release this new switch. Let's open it up and I'll show you why. Alright, so here's the actual PoE switch right on top. Let's put that to the side and see what else this comes with. Looks like we got some mounting screws so you can mount this to the wall. And we've also got these little rubber feet if you wanted to put this compact switch on a desk or a table. Some other things in the package include an outlet cord and a power cable. In terms of the switch itself, I really like the build quality. The entire case is made out of metal. And you've got these nice mounting ports on the bottom with those screws that we talked about earlier. All 4 link and Ethernet ports are clearly marked in outlines. Orange for link ports and green for your Ethernet Uplink port. All the ports have status lights, orange and green, right on the top of them. And there we have power. As you can see, the lights all begin to turn on to indicate power and connectivity. So from here, you can plug in your server via Ethernet or any other possible item, such as IP phones, printers, security cameras, or computers. It also allows for better data transfer through its gigabit speed. This allows for your video to stream and upload with no lag or delay. The switch also offers 4,000 volt lightning strike and surge protection to keep your data safe. Now the company does offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, plus 1-year warranty and lifetime tech support. So if for any reason this PoE switch doesn't meet your needs, you're sure to be able to find something else from BV Tech that will. So that's all I have for you today. Make sure you check out our website to see all the other PoE options that we offer, and follow us on social media for all the newest items and special deals.